If you are new to Forex trading and looking for a platform that is easy to use, supports Vietnamese, allows fast deposits and withdrawals in Nigeria, and even offers a bonus to practice with, then this video is just for you. In 2025, OctaFX has become one of the most talked about names in the Nigerian market, with more than 4 million downloads in this region alone, along with an ecosystem that spans from trading platforms, mobile apps to copy trading. OctaFX is helping many beginners start their trading journey more smoothly. In today's video, I will guide you through how to register with OctaFX from A to Z, how to claim the free $100 bonus to practice without risking your own capital, and some small tips to make your deposits and withdrawals quick and safe. The reason many people in Nigeria choose OctaFX is not only because of the bonus or the nice interface, but because of the simplicity of the experience. From the registration step, identity verification, depositing money through local bank accounts, to starting trading with high leverage and low costs, everything is designed to be beginner-friendly. Opening an account happens quickly, and you only need a few minutes to get started. As long as you use your real full name, your primary email address, and upload valid ID documents, the verification process will be completed very fast. OctaFX also supports linking a local bank account under the same name, making it easy to deposit and withdraw without any barriers. The $100 OctaFX bonus is a very noteworthy plus. After opening a real account, you just need to go to the Bonuses section in the app and register to claim it. This amount cannot be withdrawn directly, but you can use it to trade in the real market. If you make a profit and then trade the required number of lots, the profit you generate can be fully withdrawn. This is a great opportunity to get familiar with the real market without having to risk your own money from the beginning. It is especially useful if you are new or want to practice your skills without the psychological pressure of real money. A small tip: use this bonus on popular currency pairs, such as USD with small volumes, and set clear stop-loss and take profit orders. Don't rush. Treat this as a free advanced training account. OctaFX also provides excellent support for deposits and withdrawals in Nigeria. You can transfer directly through popular local banks such as GT Bank, Zenith, Kuda, and many others. The process is very fast, usually only 1 to 3 hours, and you don't have to pay extra fees. What I highly appreciate is the consistency. Whichever bank you use to deposit is the same bank you will withdraw to, making the cash flow control clearer and safer. The app interface is also very well optimized for African users, supporting copy trading, quick order placement, and real-time quotes. If you want to know whether this broker suits your trading style, consider a few points. OctaFX offers leverage up to 1/500 MT4 and MT5 platforms for both desktop and mobile, along with their own app, which is rated as one of the most user-friendly among major brokers. You can also deposit with crypto if you want, or start with just a small amount of capital. In addition, the copy trading feature is very suitable for those without experience, allowing you to automatically and transparently copy trades from successful traders. Overall, this is a very good environment to begin your journey, whether you are learning to earn extra income or seriously pursuing a long-term trading career. So, is OctaFX worth trying? The answer is absolutely, especially if you are new and looking for a reliable, easy-to-use platform that supports a bonus to practice without risking real capital. Everything from registration, deposits, trading to profit withdrawals is very well optimized for Nigerian users. If you want to claim the $100 bonus and experience it for yourself, I have placed the guide link along with the promo code in the video description. You just need to follow it, and you can get started within minutes. And if you have already used OctaFX, can you share a bit about your experience? Was the withdrawal process fast for you? Did the bonus help you practice better? Leave a comment below, because maybe your real story will help someone else start the right way.